Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how all charging methods for your headphone Soundcore Q20i. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port on your right ear cup. We can see this LED light here, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port. And we can also see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!